The Union Home Ministry on Tuesday constituted the Unlawful Activities Prevention Tribunal to adjudicate whether there are adequate reasons to declare several Meetei militant groups in Manipur as unlawful associations. The tribunal will be headed by Justice Sanjay Kumar Medi of Guwahati High Court. On November 13, the Union Home Ministry extended the ban on several Meetei outfit militant organizations under the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act for 5 years for advocating the cessation of Manipur through armed means. The Gazette notification issued on Tuesday and on November 13 referred to the groups collectively as Meitei extremist organizations, Revolutionary Party of Kangleipak, the Kangleipak Communist Party, and the Kanglei Yawol Kanbalup had already been outlawed, PTI had reported. The Revolutionary People's run its armed wing, the Manipur People's Army, the People's Revolutionary Party of Kangleipak, and its armed wing, the Red Army, the Kangleipak Communist Party, and its armed wing, also called. In the November 13 notification, the ministry accused the groups of engaging in activities harmful to the sovereignty and the integration, the Red Army, the Kanglei Yawol Kanbalup, the Coordination Committee, and the Alliance for Socialist Unity Kangleipak.